Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome back to online English class Mont II. We are going to learn 3 sounds words with vowels. Now start our class. Firstly, we will write A words Kh, A, T. Cat, K-A-T, cat. Bat, A-T. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Fan, A-N, fan. Cat, bat, fan. And now we will write A words. B, A, D, bed, B, A, D, bed. N, A, D, N, A, D, net, N, A, D, net. L, A, D, late, L-A-T, late. Bed, net, late. Now we will write the spelling of big. B, A, G, big. B-A-G, big. D, A, G, dig. D-A-G, dig. Fin, A-N, fin. Now we will write the spelling of cup. Now read with me. Kh, A, P, cup. Bun, B, A, N, bun. A, N, fun. Cat, bed, fan, bed, net, late, big, dig, fin, cup, bun, fun. Now kids, it's your turn. Read and write these words on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.